So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you having a great day? Yeah, I am too, because I am drawing. I love drawing. It's so much fun to express your creativity. Whoa, I have an idea. Why don't we draw something together? And why don't we draw JJ from CoComelon? Wow, what a cute boy. He's in preschool, and he's just so happy. All right, let's take a black marker and draw his head. Looks like a circle, but it's actually a square with very rounded corners. Whoa, yeah. And do you see how I had a gap right there? Yeah, that's for his hair. Let's draw his hair. Yeah, swirls like this. Whoa, boing. Whoa, whoa, yeah, cute hair. And now for his eyes. They're so big. Whoa, there we go. Two big circles like that. And then circles inside the circles. Whoa! And let's draw his eyebrows so we don't forget it. And let's draw his pupils. Yeah, see those black circles? Yeah, cool. Now for his nose. That's how JJ smells. Whoa, maybe it's because his sister Yo-Yo was cooking something in the kitchen. Yeah, there we go. Or maybe his brother Tom-Tom, yeah, is eating some pizza or salad. Whoa, now let's draw a big smile, just like that. Yeah, because maybe he's so happy because he just rode his bicycle with his best friend Cody. Whoa, he does look happy. Let's draw a little tongue right there. So cute. And what's he missing on the side of his head? Hello? Yeah, two big ears. Whoa, there we go. That's how he hears. All right, shall we color him in or shall we color him in? All right, so let's draw some brown on his eyes. Yeah, he has colorful brown eyes. Whoa, so big. Whoa. Yeah, you just draw brown circles right there around the pupils. And then he's looking more like JJ. And for his hair, yeah, it's the color yellow, blonde. So let's do some squiggles right up there. Whee! Wow, such cute hair. Wow, JJ is such a fun boy. And speaking of fun, did you have fun drawing with me? Yeah, it was fun. Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. See you, JJ.
Blippi, come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.